Rajkumar Mato from Guwahati, which is in the northeastern part of India. So I have come once again with another topic, another lesson which I would like to share with you, my life experience, which will be helpful for you because we learn from each other. So the lesson is that long time I used to think, when I was small, I used to think that there are two categories of people: the happy people and the sad people. So I was in the sad category, the sad people category. So I used to remain sad, and the reason behind is that it was my nature, my environment, all these factors made me to remain like that for a very long time. And some of the factors were like I spent my early childhood, whole childhood without my mom, without my dad, and so I had no friends nearby. So I remained like that. So these factors, enforced me to remain like a very introvert and shy kind of nature. And also, I have also observed people that many, it's not only me who am sad, but there are many people, thousands of crores of people are there who are also sad. So we are in the same category, and so I thought it's normal to be sad. So there is no problem, it's normal. But again, when a few years later, I come to know that there are also other category of people who are also happy, they're jolly, they are rich, and I used to wonder how they are like totally different. I am sad and many people are sad, but they are on the other side, they are very happy and they are rich. They're also successful, who used to come on the media, on the interview and all these things, and they are very glamour life, and not glamour but also non-glamour also people, they are very happy. So reason behind is that I come to know later when I come in company with the very good friends, they are also very happy. So I consider them, they are from the happy category side. So I came in contact with them, made friends with them when I came to the higher study. So I got friends with them. So I learned that there is no difference between the happy and the sad people. We all are same actually, almost same, 100% same. If we talk about the mindset, just 1% difference is that, and the difference is just we are thinking. We think in that way, so we remain sad, and they think in the other way, very happily, and so they are very happy. So just the thinking only. So from that onwards, I decided that I will not think that way. I'll think in the other way. How they are thinking, I'll follow that way, and how I was thinking, I'll get rid of it. Now, how to get rid of it? It was a very difficult. I learned step by step. It was not in a 1 day or 1 month, or not a very quick. It was not a quick lesson. It took me a very long period of time to understand this, that why I'm sad, why these sad people are sad, and why the happy people are happy. And it's just the thing that we have to change our way of thinking. If you change your way of thinking, friends, then you can also you can also come to the other side of it. And it's very important, friends, that if you are happy, then only you can achieve success in your life. If you want to achieve success in your life, you have to be happy. In your career and everywhere, you need this happiness, and then only you can achieve in your life. I have seen this when I'm feeling very good mood. I used to get lot of achievements and success, and used to win very awards and all. But when I used to feel very demotivated and sad, and I cannot expect also. The expectation also do not come in my mind. Only wishes comes that I could win, but wishes never fulfilled. Only expectation and your hard work with positive attitude will only can get you win. So this is the very important lesson that you can also implement in your life, that you need to change the thinking. If you want to change your thinking, just be with the happy people. When you be with them, they will make you learn. And that is the quickest, shortest shortcut that you can come on the other side of it. So I hope it will help you. You get something to learn from it. That be in company with the happy people, be in company with them, learn from them how they are doing, follow them, and you learn very quickly. And that is the very best way to learn. So thank you so much. This is all I wanted to share with you, and I hope it helps you. Thank you so much.